Hello guys, welcome to this food segment of Adomako Studios. My name is Thickening and I'm here to show you how to make delicious meat pie. Now meat pie is a common snack eaten around. Sit back and enjoy.
To turn the lights down, make you know what you need body.
So as usual, we start by washing our hands. For our dough, we have our flour, we have our baking powder, we have our egg, we have our sugar, we have our salt, and we have our butter. So for our filling, we have our minced meat, we have our vegetable oil, we have our chopped carrots, we have our chopped potatoes, we have our chopped onions, we have our seasoning, pepper, and salt to taste.
Just take a look around.
So first we mix in all our dry ingredients.
They wanna act like they know, but they don't know. Charlie, do your thing. This is your day. Don't be afraid. Get ready for the prize of the time anywhere when it comes your way. Show me no bro, show me no bro, show me no bro.
A whole, and then add in our egg.
Show me no bro, show me no bro, show me no bro. Everything's on you. Kinda girl got class though. I mean, she's her own teacher.
So now we add our butter.
Loads, she's always slaying. You keep flocking, damn boys to make cannot stop it. You in control when you pop it. So dangerous like it rocket. See.
To achieve a crumb-like consistency.
Show me no bro, let me jealous you. Gotta teach them a thing or two. They wanna act like they know, but they don't know. Tryna do your thing. This is your day. Don't be afraid. Get ready for the prize anytime, anywhere when it comes your way. Show me no bro, show me no bro.
So now you know your dough mixture is ready when you've achieved a crumb-like consistency. So now you put in your water. You can also use milk if you want, but I choose to use water.
Everything's on you. Everything's on you.
You can know that the dough is perfectly ready when it doesn't stick to the bowl. As you can see, it's not sticking at all to the bowl. So this goes to show that our dough is perfectly ready. So now that our dough is ready, we cover it with a clean film whilst we work on our filling. Oil and allow to heat. Pour in our onions. And stir.
To turn the lights down, make you know what you need body.
So after allowing it to heat for 10 to 5 minutes, pour in our minced meat.
Show me no bro, let me jealous you. Gotta teach them a thing or two. They wanna act like they know, but they don't know. Tryna do your thing.
So now we add our seasoning. You can see it's completely brown.
Show me no bro, 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 show me no bro. I got eyes on you.
Stir properly. Then put in pepper.
Don't you please anybody. shut yourself down.
So now we add in our salt.
Nobody got a contest, just take a look around. Show me no board.
Then we allow to cook for 10 minutes. Our meat is ready. Now we pour in our diced potatoes.
Come show me, show me no board, 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 show me no board. I got eyes on you.
Okay, so now we add in our carrots.
Everything's on you. Kinda girl got class though. I mean,
Now I'm going to add a bit of water to the flour to make a thickener for the filling.
time praying. She matching up clothes. She's always slaying. You keep flocking. Damn boys, they making that stop it. You in control when you pop it. So dangerous like it rocket.
So now you add in your thickener.
Get it anytime that she want to, that she want to. Show me no more, them they jealous you. Gotta teach them a thing or two.
Now our sauce is ready, so we start kneading the dough.
This is your day. Don't be afraid. Get ready for the process.
I'll quickly make my egg wash.
Shami no bro, shami no bro, shami no bro, shami no bro, shami no bro. I got eyes on you. Shami no bro, 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 shami no bro. Everything's on you.
We'll first start with preparing the surface by adding a bit of flour.
Chop, chop.
And you can also add a bit of flour to your rolling pin. So in order to make things easier for me, I like dividing my dough into sections.
Everything's on you. She don't need anybody.
So now I'm gonna be using this to cut out my pie crust.
To go for that crown. Shawty no boy, them be jealous you.
So now I'm putting in my filling.
This is your day. Don't be afraid. Get ready for the prize anytime, anywhere.
Adding my egg wash to the sides.
Shawty no boy, shawty no boy, shawty no boy. I got eyes on you. Shawty no boy, shawty no boy, shawty no boy, shawty no boy.
The importance of the egg wash is to allow the dough stick well.
Body to shut yourself down. Nobody got a contest, just take a look around. Show me no board, them they jealous you. Gotta teach them a thing or two. They wanna act like they know, but they don't know. Charlie, do your thing. This is your day.
So now we glaze the pie with the egg wash to give it that shiny look. So I set my oven to 220 degrees Celsius and then turn it on. About 20 to 30 minutes. Guys, as you can see, this is the outcome of our meat pie. The outside is very crusty and the inside just so yummy. I can't wait to start munching on this. Meat pie. Guys, you should try this. So thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment down below.
They wanna act like they know, but they don't know. Trying to do your thing. This is your day.
Meat pie, which is a very common snack eating everywhere.
When it comes your way, Shami no bro, 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 Shami no bro,